In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDFs in Adobe Scan via web. We're going to keep this simple and clear so you can merge multiple PDFs into one clean document in just a few minutes. Start by opening your preferred web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, or whichever you normally use. In the address bar, go to adobe.com acrobat online merge pdf.html. This is Adobe's official online merge tool, so you don't need to download anything. If you're prompted to sign in, use the same Adobe ID you use with Adobe Scan or Adobe Acrobat on the web. Signing in makes sure the experience is consistent across your Adobe apps and helps you access the correct files if you've saved scans to your device. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to the merge page. Next, click Select Files, or simply drag and drop your PDFs into the window. You can select multiple files at once from your computer, including documents you scanned with Adobe Scan, any scans you previously downloaded, or other PDFs you've saved locally. If you're using the file picker, you can usually select more than one file by holding Shift or Control as you click, which can speed things up when you have a lot to combine. Once your files are uploaded, you'll see them displayed as thumbnails on the page. This is where you set the order. Click and drag each thumbnail to arrange the sequence exactly how you want it to appear in the final PDF. Take a moment to double-check the order. Put the cover or summary first, group related pages together, and make sure nothing is out of place. If a file takes a moment to appear, give it a second to finish uploading before you finalize the sequence. When everything looks right, click Merge. The online tool will process your selection and combine the PDFs into a single file. Processing time depends on the size and number of files, so keep the tab open until it completes. You'll see that your documents are now unified into one clean PDF, ready for whatever you need next: archiving, sharing, or keeping your records tidy. That's all there is to it. Open the Merge tool in your browser, sign in if asked, add your PDFs, drag to reorder them, and click Merge. This workflow is quick, reliable, and works with PDFs you created using Adobe Scan, as well as any other PDF stored on your computer. If you follow these steps, you'll have a polished, merged PDF in no time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined efficiency of your newly combined document.